Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix 2xKO game crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch problem, freezing issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen problem on PS5. So here follow the fixes. The first fix is to simply restart your PS5. So press and hold power button on the console and select power off. Unplug all the wires, wait for few seconds and then press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires and turn on your PlayStation and then check problem solved or not. Fix 2. Log out and log in. Simply log out from your PlayStation network account, go to settings, users and accounts, other, sign out. Now wait for few minutes and then log in back and then check. Now if you have any other secondary account, then log in with that and then check if that works or not. Fix 3. Switch internet connection. First of all, use Ethernet cable to access internet on PS5 and then check. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, then connect to mobile data via hotspot and then check. If possible, then you can connect to other Wi-Fi network and then check. Or simply restart your modem or Wi-Fi router and then check. Fix 4 is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. So go to PS5 settings network, go to settings, set up internet connections. Press the options button. In Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and check which one works for you. Fix 5 is to rebuild database on PS5. So power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from the wall. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound and then release the button. Your console will boot into the safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS button. Now use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database, OK. Now launch the 2xKO game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 6 is to restore license. On your PS5, go to settings, click on users and accounts, scroll down and go to other and then go to restore license. Now select 2xKO game and then select restore. Select yes to confirm. After this, check if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 7 is to disable enable HDCP. So go to PS5 settings, select system and then choose HDMI tab. Now turn off enable HDCP and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't help, then turn on enable HDCP and then check. Fix 8 is to delete game data and cache. Now please take a note, you must back up the save data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. Now go to settings, save data and game/app settings. Select save data PS5 and then navigate to console storage, delete. Now select 2xKO game, then select delete, OK. Now restart your console and then try to launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 9 is to change DNS settings manually. So go to PlayStation settings, network settings, set up internet connections. On your internet, press start, advanced settings, DNS settings. Change DNS settings from automatic to manual. Now in the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and then hit OK. And then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then hit OK and then relaunch the game again and check if your problem is solved or not. And if none of the solution work for you, then the last solution is to reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. So simply uninstall the 2xKO game from your console, then reinstall it and then check. And if you're using a SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the 2xKO game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and check if it helps or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve 2xKO game crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch problem, freezing issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, or black screen issue on PS5. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.